Rot, algae, moss infestation and colour fading is an all too familiar sight with wooden decking. After a few years, the appearance of a wooden deck will inevitably deteriorate no matter how often it's maintained. So what we're going to do now is we're going to see if we can mop off green algae off some of Kedeck's Kedeck decking. We've got a mop bucket here, a bit of fairy liquid will do, and some hot water. So we've not got anything special, just a normal bog standard mop. If you're doing this with wood, usually it's so bedded in you'd need a jet wash to get it out, but it's coming right off here just mopping it. The recycled plastic that is used in the manufacturing process for Kedeck means that it's completely impervious to water, frost, algae, insects, and it will never rot. A unique decking product that looks very much like wood, does not deteriorate over time, and requires zero maintenance. In this rare instance, you can see that the algae has managed to grow, but that's only because the decking is in constant shade, being a north-facing garden. All done. No jet wash, no scrubbing, no hard labour, just a simple wipe down with a mop and it's as good as new. For more information, you can contact us on 01282 861 325 or go to our website www.kedeck.co.uk or email sales@kedeck.co.uk.